Disclaimer: the activities shown in this video are performed by professionals or individuals with significant experience. Attempting these activities without proper training, equipment, and safety measures can result in serious injury. Always prioritize safety, use appropriate protective gear, and consult with a professional if you are unsure about any procedures. The creator of this video is not responsible for any injuries or damages incurred while attempting to replicate the activities shown. Proceed at your own risk.
What's really good, people? Welcome back. Axtuo's back at me. How you been? How you doing? I hope everything is good with you. I got this 2018 Nissan Rogue. All right, and guess what we're gonna do? Well, by the title, you can tell, right? This guy right here. Wheel bearing assembly. All right. We're gonna need a lug nut socket set. This guy right here. 21 socket for the lug nuts. 17 here, 17 millimeter. Also this one right here too. All right, let's get it. 17 right here. $17 right here. We're gonna no, we're good, we're good. I'm gonna remove this guy. Okay, put it inside. We're gonna remove the rotor. Just like that. Hot. See over here. I want to say it's 30. 30. 30 is. If you come through this way, right here, see 10 millimeter, that's for the ABS. All right. Now, if you're gonna replace the ABS sensor, just got it. You know what I'm saying? But if you don't, then apply some WD-40. That should help the calls. And just be careful. Don't damage it. All right. 10 millimeter for that bolt right there. All right. That's how the guy looks like. So I'm just gonna clean it and reuse it. That's fine. Didn't break it. Nothing. All good. All good. All right. Hopefully you can see this. Come around. You're gonna see one over there, 2, 3 up there, 4. Okay, 4 bolts. We're gonna hit that. I think it's 15, if I'm not tripping. 15, but I'll double check and I'll tell you. I'll let you know why. All right, all I used was the 3/8 extension. I think this is 8 inches, 12 inches, and this is like 3 inches with the 17 millimeter 3/8. All right. I'm gonna come through here like this, pop, with the one right bottom. Over here to the top, right top. Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna come this way. Do the same thing. Top. Gucci. Now the bottom. You see it. Gucci. Alright. You want to retrieve the bolts? I use a magnet. They're all the same size. Okay, 17 millimeter. Yeah. Okay, if you come over here, you're gonna see a plate right here. You see that plate? Just align it though, that's fine. Okay. You see the plate? Okay, that's fine. Don't worry about that. Alright. Now we put everything back. We put the new one. Got the new one right here. Alright. The procedure, the installation go in reverse. Some crease. We good? This guy really doesn't matter how you put it. Okay. Wait 1 second. There's a this guy. See this? Gotta go down. Okay. That's the only way these holes can match with this. Go down. Go down. Okay. Grab this guy. Right. Now I line up the holes. leave it there just in case. Light it with the holes, put the bolts back in the back. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much. Right, once you tighten it in the back, with the, what is that, 30? Go with the 30. Then, slide back. Click. Secure. So then pop, unchain. Let me make sure that I tighten it enough. Pretty much. Right there. Pop. That's it. That's it. Once you do that, don't forget the sensor, okay? This guy right here. Put it back. Put everything back. Put the caliper back. Everything goes in reverse and unchained. Everything go back to normal. What I'm gonna do now is, put the tire back, torque it, road test it, and see how it feels. Your new bearing assembly. I'm gonna leave it right here. Hope you like this video. Hope you enjoy. You know what to do with the subscribe button if you like it. All right. Even if you don't like it, smash the subscribe button. Do that. Cooperate and support the channel. You know how to do it. Super things. Click on that. Look like a heart. Show your love. Yeah. This was a 2018 Nissan Rogue rear bearing assembly. I got a clack cow. Holla at your boy. Stu Burung.